In this video, we have yet another Jamb question where we are asked to make R the subject of the formula. This is the formula given. So we'll make R the subject of the formula. Solution. For more on this video, you need to subscribe to this channel. So if x all over r plus a is equal to a all over r, the next thing to do is to cross multiply. Of course, if we cross multiply, we'll have it as xr to be equal to a into r plus a. So this is what we get once we cross multiply from the given question. Now we have xr to be this. So we open the bracket, it will now be a multiplied by r plus a multiplied by a to give a squared. Now we are asked to make r the subject of the formula. So what we need to do is to collect like terms. So this will come over here to give us xr minus ar, which is equal to a squared. The next thing to do is to bring out r, because r is common between these two. So we have r to be x minus a, which is equal to a squared. The next thing to do is to divide both sides by x minus a to make r the subject of the formula. So if we divide both sides by x minus a, we have r x minus a all over x minus a, which is equal to a squared all over x minus a. Of course, this will cancel this. It then means that our r will be equal to a squared all over x minus a. So this becomes the solution to the given question. This r is now the subject of the formula. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.